my people, this is me leaving my home for the past 5 weeks. It's time to go home. You can see the happy faces of my colleagues and I. Our vessel, like all these other vessels, is on anchor just outside the Rio de Janeiro port, and we are on a water taxi on our way to the marina, from where we will be taken to the airport for the journey home. What are you doing? On the boat. Their airport is just by the marina, so it's common to see airplanes coming in to land as we taxi to the marina. Something to watch while we transit to, the port. See the beautiful Rio de Janeiro skyline. And some people chopping life. Oringo, look at that.
Oh my God, Yosef, you're crazy. I don't love you up.
I need to go there, oh my.
Brazilian babies. Yosef has gone mad. Yosef.
You like that one with the intro? Oh, shit. It's amazing. Perfect.
Come and hire your own yacht so that you can be partying and having fun. Chop your money before your money chop you. I have a long journey ahead of me, from here to Amsterdam, to Spain, to Nigeria, and to my village, Gong. Yeah, the land of my ancestors. He's walking so fast.
He just wants to make his steps.
He wants to meet his 10,000 steps a day. After 12 hours of non-stop flying, we are in rainy Amsterdam. After a short layover, in fact, the layover was so short that I was wondering if my checked-in bag will make it to the next plane. We are in Madrid, and my bag made it. Hallelujah. I got home and took off again in under 48 hours. I barely had time to put my stuff together. My husband had already packed everything. God knows what he packed in there. Anyway, we're on our way to Nigeria for Christmas. Yeah, it's a tradition. We landed early momo, but it took 2 hours for our bags to come out. Ewo, my country. They were bringing out the bags at the rate of 10 pieces per hour. It was just our flight, oh. And according to the airport workers, another flight, I think Virgin Atlantic, that landed that morning, no. Imagine what would happen in the evening when most international flights land in Lagos. Anyway, all our bags came out and finally we can leave to go and sleep. Good, wait, people they come back. It be like say people no come back. Oh.
People no come back here. You don't see person bag wey full here.
No only this one flight now. And you know say Nigerian. Waiting.
You can be at the front now.
I can be at the front.
I want to be in your video.
Okay. I won't show my bag. No be you like they show bag.